a story. Only a few words I had spelled out. It is called, the title is I Love the Book, and by Gloria at age 7, her mom's giving her the book. Charity had just got a new book from her mom and dad. She loved the new book. One day her friends Tim, Kim, Jim, David, Joy, Grace, Haley, Isaac, Bill, Jill, Bobby, Billy, Susie, William, and John came to our house to hear the new book. Haley said, I like the new book too. David said, me too. Isaac said, me too. John said, me too. Susie said, me too. Grace said, me too. The rest of them said, me too. Mom came in the room. She said, Tim, Kim, Jim, David, who are that? Tim, Kim, Jim, David, Joy, Grace, Haley, Isaac, Bill, Jill, Bobby, Billy, Susie, William, and John, it is time to go home. Okay, they said, goodbye, Charity. Whoops. Okay, they said, goodbye, Charity. Charity said, goodbye to you. The next day, Charity went to the candy store. She got candy that she liked. She got cakes and cookies. And back home again. She ate 3 cookies. Then she went to her book that Mom and Dad had gave her. She read the book and she loved the book. Then David came. Charity! What? She said. David said, we are going to a game. I see, said Charity. Well, are you going? Yes, she said. Okay, said David. Yahoo, Charity said. They went to it. They saw all of their friends. Charity brought the book that her mom and dad had gave her. Yahoo, all of her friends said. What is the game? Charity said. Susie said, we are playing tag. She stuttered because she was so happy. She, what was it? She stuttered, we. Okay, Charity said, I will play too. Good, John said. What was it? Oh. While they were playing, Joy said, look, Charity brought her book. Let's hear it. Okay, Charity said, I will read it. Yahoo, all of her friends said. When Charity went home, she said, Mom, Dad, I just wanted to tell you that I love you. Mom said, I love you too. Dad said, me too. And yeah, me too. And they gave each other a hug. The end. It shows a picture of them hugging. That's the end of my presentation.